I'm gonna use the liquid shave cream, which soothes, protects, and nurtures the skin, and it helps the razor blade glide because I'm gonna line them up right here. And without this, you know, you can't do it dry because it's gonna irritate the skin, or sometimes even cut the skin if you don't use this like another agent to aid your razor blade. We are gonna line up the beard here, and I'm gonna begin shaving it, as you see here. What's good about this cream is that it's transparent. You can see the skin and the beard at the same time. Definitely want to shave the whole face. Make sure you get the cheek, under the eye, and all that. So once you do the line right here on the beard, it's more defined because everything else will be clear here. Turn them to the mirror, make sure everything's even, and that's it.